Torrential slide value equivalent to 225.69 rands a coin. The present cost range, 220.73 228.58. The earlier day close, 222.88. The change was plus 2.81. Plus 1.26%. Opposite rates, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, June 22. Cost 238 rands, high 255, low 221. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, June 23. Cost 241 rands, high 258, low 224. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 26. Cost 235 rands, high 251, low 219. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, June 27. Cost 235 rands, high 251, low 219. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28. Cost 235 rands, high 251, low 219. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, June 29. Cost 236 rands, high 253, low 219. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, June 30. Cost 226 rands, high 242, low 210. Torrential slide estimate on Monday, July 3. Cost 230 rands, high 246, low 214. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, July 4. Cost 226 rands, high 242, low 210. In about 14 days torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, July 5. Cost 222 rands, high 238, low 206. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, July 6. Cost 188 rands, high 201, low 175. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, July 7. Cost 183 rands, high 196, low 170. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, July 10. Cost 181 rands, high 194, low 168. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, July 11. Cost 172 rands, high 184, low 160. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12. Cost 182 rands, high 195, low 169. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, July 13. Cost 171 rands, high 183, low 159. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, July 14. Cost 174 rands, high 186, low 162. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, July 17. Cost 173 rands, high 185, low 161. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18. Cost 183 rands, high 196, low 170. In about a month torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, July 19. Cost 183 rands, high 196, low 170. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, July 20. Cost 178 rands, high 190, low 166. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, July 21. Cost 176 rands, high 188, low 164. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 278 rands, excessive cost 294, while low cost 192. Be arrived at the midpoint of cost 248. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 226, change for June 18.7%. Torrential slide gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 226 rands, exorbitant cost 246, while low cost 159. The found the middle value of cost 215. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 229. Change for July 1.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 229 rands, exorbitant cost 229, while low cost 190. The found the middle value of cost 213. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 204. Change for August 10.9%. Torrential slide gauge for September 2023. In the first place cost at 204 rands, exorbitant cost 216, while low cost 188. The found the middle value of cost 203. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 202. Change for September 1.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 202 rands. Exorbitant cost 217. While low cost 189. The found the middle value of cost 203. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 203. Change for October 0.5%. Torrential slide estimate for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 203 rands. Exorbitant cost 203. While low cost 172. The found the middle value of cost 191. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 185. Change for November 8.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 185 rands. Exorbitant cost 230. While low cost 185. The found the middle value of cost 204. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 215. Change for December 16.2%. Torrential slide gauge for January 2024. To start with cost at 215 rands. Exorbitant cost 215. While low cost 168. The found the middle value of cost 195. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 181. Change for January 15.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 181 rands. Exorbitant cost 181. While low cost 141. The found the middle value of cost 164. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 152. Change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide gauge for WOC 2024. To start with cost at 152 rands. Excessive cost 184. While low cost 152. Be arrived at the midpoint of cost 165. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 172. Change for spring 13.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at 172 rands. Excessive cost 175. While low cost 153. Be arrived at the midpoint of cost 166. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 164. Change for April 4.7%. Torrential slide conjecture for May 2024. Before all else cost at 164 rands. Excessive cost 164. While low cost 128. The found the middle value of cost 149. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 138. Change for May 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at 138 rands. Exorbitant cost 171. While low cost 138.